Guys, for today's video, so nakita nyo na na-approve ako kay Uno Now Loan, di ba? Yung previous video ko, which is yan. So ngayon, gusto kong subukan or gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na sinubukan ko rin mag-apply kay Tonic. Yung Tonic Credit Builder niya, tinatawag nila. Ano ba tong Tonic Credit Builder na to? Bago ba to? Ma-approve ka ba dyan? Well, hindi ko rin alam. So samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're newer to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so sabi ko nga sa inyo, gusto ko naman subukan itong si Tonic. Kasi di ba, na-approve naman kay Uno Now Loan. Oh, edi baka may chance din naman ako dito kay Tonic Digital Bank. Okay, si Uno ay digital bank guys. So bangko talaga siya. Si Tonic ay also a digital bank. So, banko rin. So, kaya naisip ko, okay yung credit score ko. Kaya, baka pwede ako ma-approve dito kay Tonic. Okay, so yun yung way of thinking ko. So, eto na nga. Try natin mag-apply dito sa Tonic Credit Builder na to. But first, check natin muna yung website ni Tonic para maintindihan natin kung ano tong Tonic Credit Builder na to. Okay, so punta tayo sa tonicbank.com. Ayan. Fall in love with big savings and get up to 6% interest rate per annum. Wow, 6%. Sige, scroll tayo pababa. Hanapin natin yung. Ito, Credit Builder. Build credit for your financial ever after. Okay? Your Tonic account is key to easy credit building. Regular payment, saving with a stash, and everyday transaction can all contribute to your credit score. This means you'll be eligible for the loan you need when you need it. Ayun daw. So, parang katulad ng na-discuss ko sa inyo about why I maintain na traditional banks kasi kapag meron kang account sa kanila, nakita nila yung in and out ng pera mo, isipin nila, uy, okay pala yung kitaan netong taong to. Malaki pala pumpasok na pera sa kanya, etc. So, parang yun yung nagiging resume mo para approvean ka ng loan. So, ganun. So, let's click Learn More. So, sabi dito, Credit Builder. Build credit for your financial ever. Start with a 20,000 loan today. So, available daw yung app via Google Play Store and App Store as we all know. So, ito daw siya. Start small, score big. Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam pala, itong credit builder na to, ito yung dating Tonic Loan. Ito rin yon. Pinalitan ulit nila ng pangalan, ginawa nilang credit builder. Para naman nga, may pang himok sa mga tao na gamitin yung Tonic Bank services. Para daw at a later time, pwede kang mag-loan kay Tonic Bank. So, basically, yon yung message na gusto nila sabihin. Okay, yan. Choose an installment period, 6, 9, 12 months, yan. To start small, start now. No immediate need for a loan? No problem. Establishing a good credit history today sets the stage for your future financial benefits. Helping you secure better deals when it's time for those big life moments. Ayan. So, basically, yun lang naman yung gist neto. Ang kailangan mo lang daw gawin with your Tonic Bank is your regular payment transfers. Kailangan mag-cash in, kailangan mag-save, kailangan mo rin daw gamitin yung virtual or your physical card for your transaction or payments. Ayan. So, punta na tayo dito sa sa credit builder ni Tonic. Ayan. Pagka-log in nyo, makikita nyo yung balance nyo and then top up, send, pay, and history. Ayan. Tapos, usog lang tayo dito sa ilalim. Nandito nakalagay yung loans. Ayan. Find the loans that fits your needs and wants. One day approval lang daw. Okay. Click natin yan. Ayan. Need fast cash or easy payment daw. Hintayin natin. Ayan. Ayan. Start small, score big. Yun yung credit builder. Now with Payhinga. Then meron isa yung shop installment loan. Pero ang pag-usapan natin is credit builder. Ayan. Pagka-click natin ng credit builder, sabi niya, ready, set, boost. Get the cash you need, pay on time, boost your credit score, and enjoy bigger and future offer loans. Count me in. Usog natin, call me maybe. We'll be keeping in touch, love. That includes calling your mobile number before we disburse the loan. Tapos now with Payhinga. Payhinga daw is parang parang insurance na pag hindi ka nakapagbayad ng ng 1 to 2 months, hindi ka naman mape-penalize na malaki. How much do you need? 5,000 lang siguro. Yan. Click na natin continue. Yan. You're applying for 5,000 and choose installment period. So, 6 months. So, babayaran ko daw ay 1,078.84. 1,078.84 times 6 months, magiging 6,473.04. I-minus natin yung principal ng 5,000. 1,473.04 i-divide natin by principal, 29.46% for 6 months, divide natin yan by 6. lalabas na 4.91% per month. Multiply natin yan by 12. Yan, lalabas na 58.92% per annum ang interest rate na binigay sa akin ni Tonic. Ayan. Tapos yun nga, may paying nga pa na additional 64.73 per month. So, pwede daw mag-proceed with an unprotected loan or hindi. Ayan. Proceed na lang tayo with unprotected. You're missing out, so no thanks. Yan yung loan summary. Yun nga, tama nga, 4.91. Tama yung calculation natin. Yun lang, meron pang i-deduct na 500 pesos and 19 pesos na documentary stamp tax. Tapos, explain mo kung para saan mo daw siya kailangan. Tapos, kung saan ka nagtatrabaho. Tapos, yung role mo, industry. Tapos, ilan ang anak mo for your dependents. Yung education attainment mo daw. Reference. Yan, bali 2 reference. Tapos, your monthly income. Kung saan ka nagtatrabaho. Yung team mo. Tapos, other contact number mo daw. And then, terms and condition. So, pagka accept mo and I accept and give consent, mag-iisip siya, yan na. Hold on, babe, yun sabi niya. Sabi niya, thanks for completing those steps. We are now processing your loan requirement. Won't take long. Okay. Boom. Sabi niya, it's hard to say no to you, so we wrote it instead. We can give you a loan at this time, but don't give up on us, love. You can still build your credit score using our awesome product. Start stashing and pay your bills with us today. So basically, yan ang experience ko with Tonic. Hindi nila ako in-approve for the loan na 5,000 pesos. Whereas, si Uno, in-approve niya ako ng 197,000 pesos. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Okay, so siguro, one of their qualifications is nga yung makita yung paggamit mo ng Tonic Bank Services. Para makita nila yung cash flow mo, kung magkano yung pera pumapasok, kung magkano yung nilalabas, binabayaran mo, on a monthly basis, etc. So, yun. Well, hindi naman ako malungkot kasi hindi naman talaga ako hiram. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung process ng paghiram and yung possible na interest rate or yung babayaran with a Tonic Credit Builder loan. Yan. So, yun lang naman. Let me know kung may question kayo about this experience with Credit Builder. So, for our question of the day, kapag kunyari nag-a-apply kayo ng isang bagay na gusto nyo, tapos biglang hindi nyo nakuha or hindi in-approve sa inyo, ano mararamdaman nyo? Tapos, gaano katagal kayong malulungkot? At pag nalungkot kayo, paano kayo babangon sa pagkalungkot nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba. At may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Curious C8. Blessing that I found your channel, sir. I was able to try it. Super helpful po as alternative source of funds. New sub here po. At Curious C8, maraming salamat po sa panonood at pagsuporta ng aking mga videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!